Imagine having the opportunity to be a part of one of the greatest wealth-generating machines in history, the stock market. With a long-term investment strategy, you can potentially turn a small sum of money into a substantial nest egg, securing your financial future and allowing you to live life on your own terms. That's what we're going to be delving into today. Hang tight, guys, and don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. Let's get into it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to dive deeper into one of the most important financial decisions you'll make in your life: investing in the stock market. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, it's crucial to understand the basics and how to get started. Why invest in the stock market? Investing in the stock market is a great way to grow your wealth over time. It's a proven way to beat inflation and build long-term financial security. And as long as you have a well-diversified portfolio, the potential for high returns is there. What markets to get into? When it comes to the stock market, there are a variety of investment options available, including domestic and international stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. It's important to understand the different markets and the risks involved before making a decision. For beginners, it's often recommended to start with a mix of blue-chip stocks and index funds, as these are generally low-risk investments that can provide stable returns over time. How to invest in the stock market? There are a number of different ways to invest in the stock market, including through a brokerage account, a robo-advisor, or an investment app. When choosing an investment platform, it's important to consider the fees, the ease of use, and the level of support you'll receive. Some popular platforms include Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, and E-Trade. Apps and websites to use. In addition to investment platforms, there are also a number of apps and websites that can help you research and track your investments. Some popular options include Yahoo Finance, Google Finance, and Investopedia. These tools can provide you with real-time stock quotes, financial news, and analysis to help you make informed investment decisions. Steps for beginners. If you're a beginner, it's important to take it slow and start with a small amount of money. Here are some steps you can follow to get started. Educate yourself. Before investing, it's important to understand the basics of the stock market and the different types of investments available. Read books, take online courses, and learn as much as you can. Start small. You don't have to invest a lot of money to start. In fact, it's better to start small and gradually increase your investment over time. This will allow you to build your confidence and learn the ropes. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different stocks and industries to reduce your risk and ensure that your portfolio is well-rounded. Be patient. Investing in the stock market is a long-term game. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Over time, your investments will grow, and you'll be glad you started early. Monitor your investments. Keep an eye on your investments and make changes as needed. This will help you stay on track and make sure that your portfolio is aligned with your financial goals. In conclusion, investing in the stock market is a smart financial decision that can benefit you in the long run. With a little education and a well-diversified portfolio, you can start building your wealth today. Don't wait any longer to start taking control of your financial future. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more finance tips and advice.